No finish on that. Ooh, that's nice.
You will like this channel. You will subscribe, comment, and share.
finish on that. Too much of that to clear off. That's all in.
So there you have it. This was a lot of fun to kind of play with and have the experimentation with that. If you'd like to see what I was thinking and actually go through and talk through this step by step, what I did, why I did it, I have a link to that down below on my second channel, Wood by Wright How To, where I go into far more detail about the burnisher and how I made it and what I was thinking. Because some of you might be wondering, what in the world was I thinking? Now, some of you might be wondering why I used the particular rod that I did. This is an unfinished carbide rod, and it really makes sharpening a burnisher incredibly easy because it grabs the steel and pulls it out. So if you ever tried one of these, definitely worth doing it. Also, I'm actually selling this as a kit where you can buy the rod and the ferrule as a kit and make your own. There's a link to that down below. So if you want to help out the channel that way, that does mean a lot. So if you have any questions, ideas, concerns, thoughts, let me know those in the comments. I do read through as many of those as I possibly can. I do want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon. You guys are the reason why this channel is here today, and these people over here keep this channel going. If you'd like to be a part of that, there's a link to Patreon down below. Thank you for that. That really means a lot. So I think that'll about do it for today, and thanks for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Oh, there we go. For some reason, I've been getting a lot of comments, and most of the time they end up with like, oh, get a grip. There you go.